Grooming requirements for poodle tails. Poodles are well known for their elegant and sophisticated appearance, with their curly, dense coats being one of their most distinctive features. While many people are familiar with the grooming routine that these dogs require for their fur, one area that is often overlooked is the tail. In this article, we will explore whether or not poodles have any specific grooming requirements for their tails. To answer this question, it is important to understand the anatomy and natural characteristics of a poodle's tail. The tail of a poodle is typically docked at an early age, a practice that is more common in certain countries and among certain poodle varieties. This means that a portion of the tail is surgically removed, resulting in a relatively short tail. However, it is worth noting that docking practices can vary, and not all poodles have docked tails. For poodles with docked tails, grooming requirements may differ slightly compared to those with naturally long tails. One key aspect to consider is that the tail should be kept in proportion to the rest of the dog's body, ensuring a balanced and aesthetically pleasing appearance. This means that the length of the tail should be appropriate for the size and build of the dog. Regardless of whether a poodle has a docked or naturally long tail, regular grooming is important to maintain its health and cleanliness. The tail should be brushed and combed on a regular basis to prevent matting and tangling. Poodles have hair rather than fur, which means that their hair grows continuously. Without proper grooming, their hair can easily become matted, causing discomfort and potential skin issues. In addition to regular brushing, specific attention should be given to the area around the base of the tail. This is where the hair tends to be thicker and denser, making it more prone to matting. Comb gently through this area, making sure to untangle any knots or mats that may have formed. Another grooming requirement for poodle tails is the need for regular trimming. While the body of a poodle is often styled in various cuts, the tail should retain its natural shape. However, it is important to keep the hair on the tail trimmed to prevent it from dragging on the ground or becoming excessively long. This helps to maintain cleanliness and prevent the tail from getting tangled or damaged. When it comes to bathing, the tail should be washed and dried thoroughly to prevent any odor or infections caused by trapped moisture. It is recommended to use a gentle dog shampoo and conditioner specifically formulated for poodles. After bathing, ensure that the tail is completely dry, paying attention to the base where the hair is thicker. Leaving the tail damp can lead to bacterial or fungal growth, which can be harmful to the dog's health. While grooming the tail, it is also important to check for any signs of irritation, redness, or other abnormalities. Poodles are known to be prone to certain skin conditions, and the tail can be a hotspot for dermatological issues. If any problems are detected, it is advisable to consult a veterinarian for appropriate treatment. In conclusion, poodles do have grooming requirements for their tails, whether docked or naturally long. Regular brushing, trimming, and bathing are essential to keep the tail healthy, clean, and free from matting. Additionally, paying attention to the base of the tail and checking for any signs of skin issues is crucial. By following these grooming practices, poodle owners can ensure that their beloved pets maintain a beautiful and well-maintained tail. Exhibit varying levels of sociability, and some may be more reserved or cautious toward strangers. It is essential for owners to provide proper training, socialization, and a safe environment to ensure their poodles feel comfortable and secure in the presence of strangers.